Yo, what's up, guys? This is the Haro F1. Like, someone stole my bike, so my friends have made me this bike. We put it together. It's pretty nice. And I'm gonna just do a bike check real quick. Haro F1 frame, animal pivotal seat, stolen thermalite seat, Eastern Medusa V2 sprocket with Eastern Stealth cranks and some Welgo pedals. Alexander rim in the back with an Animal ASM rear tire. Front, I have no clue. Fork, no clue. The grips are lizard skins. The bars are S&M Grand Slam XLT bars with stolen clutch stem and a Sputnik with chain. And that's my bike. Put up some videos later. Peace.